Been pretty cloudy all day. Finally, at sunset, the sun comes out. So we just may be able to get some sunset pictures. We are on the island of Molokai. We've been here since yesterday, and we got a couple more days here. This is a beautiful island. And the sun has just kissed the ocean. And we say goodbye to another lovely day. And this condo that we're staying in has no air conditioning. Well, the sun has just set, and it's reasonably cool. Still warm enough for short pants, but it's not hot, which makes it better for sleeping. The sky is changing colors. It's gone to a nice orangey red. And I don't know if you can see it up there, but there's the moon trying to come through. So this is really nice.